Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to treble crochet. So all you need is some yarn and the appropriate size crochet hook. Okay, to start, make a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 13. Okay, once you've chained 13, we're going to skip the first 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make our treble crochet in the 4th chain. Okay, so you're going to want to yarn over twice. So 1, 2. Okay, so it looks like you've got 3 loops on your hook. Skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and put your hook in the 4th chain. Yarn over and pull through the chain. Okay, so now we have 4 loops on our hook. Next you want to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, and now you have 2 loops left. Yarn over and pull through those last 2. Okay, so here's your chain 3, your turning chain, and your first treble crochet. Okay, so to make another one, yarn over twice, go into the next chain, yarn over and pull through that chain. Okay, so you should have 4 loops on your hook. So you want to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so you're always yarning over and pulling through 2 loops at a time. So I'll show you again. Yarn over twice, go into the next chain, yarn over and pull through that chain. Now you have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay. So I'm going to treble crochet until the end, and then I'll show you how to turn if you want to make another row. So yarn over twice, into the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so just go nice and slow until you get used to making the stitch. And don't forget to yarn over twice at the start. Okay, so here's how our first row should look. Okay, to start the next row, chain 3 and then turn. So now you're working in the back of that last row, and you just want to yarn over twice and go into the top of that last treble crochet. Okay, so just make 1 in each stitch. Okay, so every time you start a new row, just make sure you chain 3 and then turn. Okay, so here is how the front of the treble crochet looks like, and that is what the back looks like. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.